It's becoming increasingly important in the industry to start running combined paid and organic strategies from an efficiency perspective, but also from the perspective of making sure that we are as visible as possible on the results page. I'm going to take you very, very quickly through how we managed to reduce branded CPA by 90% on cancer research. So our hypothesis was quite simple. Cancer Research's fundraising regulation division were running branded activity. They were operating at a near 100% impression share. Actually, there wasn't that much paid competition, and organic visibility was really strong. So our hypothesis was we could probably reduce spend on branded terms, and actually we wouldn't see that much of a detriment to overall conversions for the business. Now, plenty of advertisers in response to this, their decision would be, let's just pull back on brand activity straight away. Fine, but actually you're not going to gain statistically significant results that way, and you're not going to get a clear-cut answer on what to do next. We worked with our measurement team to derive a methodology that actually would allow us to gain those statistically significant results through incrementality testing. To cover off what is quite a complex strategy in simple terms, we developed a location-based control and test group. In our test group, we actually reduced brand completely. And across the country, we were then measuring what the overall impact on conversions was. Now, the results that we did get were really clear-cut and they were statistically significant. So actually, during that period, there was no impact on conversions for cancer research. And also no impact on their visibility at all, which were the two metrics that we were measuring. So the next steps for us were quite clear-cut, actually. With the results that we'd achieved, we knew that we'd be able to reduce brand spend, actually not to the detriment of overall conversions. There were a couple of things that we needed to consider, and we do continue to consider though, things like if paid competition starts to increase in the auction, organic rankings drop, if there's a brand initiative that means that we do want to serve on paid advertising again. But overall, the results that we've been able to drive for them are a significant CPC reduction, 85% reduced brand costs for their fundraising registration division, and overall a 90% reduction in CPA.